Versatility Gel is the ideal product to easily repair, overlay or sculpt the perfect set of nails. Versatility Gel is odorless, requires no mixing of products and cures in 60 seconds. So whether you are using it at home or in the salon, it will save you time and money. With the following materials, we can discover the true versatility of our star product. Okay, let's prep the nails. File nails to desired length and shape using a Zebra 180 grit file. Use ASP pterygium remover and spoon pusher to gently push back the cuticle and remove any loosened skin or debris from the nail plate. Gently remove the shine from the surface of the nail using a 180 grit file or buffer. Cleanse nail plate with ASP 2-in-1 dehydrator and cleansing wipe and a lint-free wipe. Gently scrub the nail plate, cuticle area, sidewalls, and free edge with the solution and lint-free wipe. ASP Acidless Primer is the perfect foundation for adhesion. It will not damage the natural nail with harsh chemicals and prepares the nails for long wear application. Acidless Primer is the first step to any product application. Apply ASP Acidless Primer to the entire natural nail while avoiding the skin. Fill a dap-in dish with ASP 2-in-1 dehydrator and cleansing wipe solution. Squeeze a medium-sized bead of Fuzzy Slippers ASP Versatility Gel onto an ASP Ultra Birchwood manicure stick. Gently roll the bead onto the nail plate. Use a flat gel brush and ASP 2-in-1 solution to push and pat gel into place from the cuticle to the free edge. As you apply Versatility Gel, ensure you keep your brush saturated with ASP 2-in-1 solution so the product does not stick to your brush and has a smooth application. Avoid getting product on the skin, but if you do, wipe away with a wood stick or your gel brush saturated with solution. Allowing product to remain on the skin can cause irritation or create an allergy to the product. Excess product can be easily removed by pulling it to the edge of the nail and brushing down to remove. Clean off excess gel with a lint-free wipe. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your brush moist with cleanser so it doesn't stick to the Versatility Gel and it has a smooth application. Smooth the edge of the nail to create a clean look. Cure for 60 seconds, an Illumina 48-watt rechargeable LED curing lamp. One way to extend a nail with Versatility Gel is to use Forminail nail forms from ASP. Forminail nail forms are so easy that you can sculpt and build nails without the complication of applying traditional forms. Choose the correct ASP Forminail tip size for each finger. Make sure it fits from side wall to side wall. Squeeze a medium-sized bead of Fuzzy Slippers ASP Versatility Gel into the well of the nail tip. Place the well of the tip at the cuticle and gently press down towards you, pushing out any bubbles. Press the tip until it reaches the desired length. Be patient as you press the tip down, so the product distributes evenly to create a strong structure, and excess product does not seep under the edges of the form. If some product seeps from around the form, gently remove with a wood stick or solution-saturated brush to avoid irritation to the skin. You can use a birchwood stick or a flat gel brush to do this. Cure for 60 seconds. Gently squeeze and remove the ASP Forminail form from the gel enhancement. As it loosens from the tip, you can move your fingers down the nail, gently squeezing and moving the tip until it detaches from the enhancement you have created. Turn hand over and cure again for 60 seconds. Now finish both applications as follows. Shape and refine the enhancement with the Zebra 180 grit file. File the parameter of the nail and gently smooth the surface if needed. Do not file too much, so you do not remove too much product. Your enhancement will be almost perfect already. Apply ASP No Wipe top coat and cure. Ensure to not get product on the skin and cap the free edge. Apply ASP Milk and Honey Dry Oil to cuticle and massage into surrounding skin. Try both applications from the comfort of your home. Now you can create strong professional nails for less and skip the salon. Explore your versatility and imagination with all the other Versatility Gel colors available. Follow and share with us.